Happy Friday, everyone. You can say happy. It's been raining for 3 days. 3 days. Yeah, just complete miserable. Don't like it one bit. Just checking things out, making sure everyone is good. It's so mucky, so disgusting. Oh, hi ladies. Everybody decided to come up, huh? They've had enough of the rain as well. Good news, Nala, the one that got pooped on yesterday, she's clean. I don't know if it was the rain or mom that cleaned her off, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Uh-oh. Hang on, I'm just counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. I'm just making sure everybody was up here because we are expecting a calf. It should be like right. I was honestly expecting it to happen this week, but hi babies. So I usually know if there's one not in with the group that he's spying. That if one's off on their own, then chances are it's baby time, but it looks like they're all up here. Anyways, just doing last check for the night. I just came home. And yeah, I'm not coming back outside if I don't need to. So, hope everyone's having a good Friday. Happy weekend. Hopefully it gets better. And yeah, we'll let you know if there's any new babies this weekend. Have a good night.